So, happy morning, everyone, and welcome to day 6 of the Magic Book session. And the topic today is works like magic. So, we are going to very soon start reading the chapter. And for those of us who wanted to share, have already shared. For those of us who want to share still, can share after the session. So, who is nominating themselves for reading today? Today's chapter is Works Like Magic. Who wants to nominate today?
I can read today because tomorrow I won't read.
Okay, Uma. So, yeah, we'll always read what the chapter's heading is. And today the picture is very clear. So, we can see the picture and introspect and understand, see the illustration and understand what we can understand for ourselves. It really helps because we all are visual. Every person is a visual person, and we register anything what we see, which we had spoken about the first day. So, see, all of you just see what you can feel when you're seeing this picture. And you can shoot out, you can say whatever you feel like, whatever is your interpretation of this picture. आप क्या आपको कैसा लग रहा है ये पिक्चर देखने से, आप क्या अंडरस्टैंड कर पा रहे हैं. So for me, when I'm seeing, I can see this workplace. It looks like an office room, and it's an office table, and there is a lamp, and everything is so neatly arranged and aligned properly. So this there is no mess in the office. Everything is aligned, and this is the working table, and there is, so this the part of it has come on the right side. So on the table there is a book in which you can write. We'll understand why the book is there and it's for whom as we read through the chapter. But yes, little bit of what you can understand is that this book is there to write down all what you want to do during the day, to make notes, the to-do list, and then you can just check for yourself at the end of the day. But the beginning of the day, you make the to-do list, and yeah, and this is the magic which is falling on the book. So whatever you have thought for yourself to do in the area of your work, in the area of your profession, whether you are a homemaker, whether you are into any form of art, whether you are into any form of, whether you're in a job, whether you have a business, it works for everything. So works like magic. Yes, the reader, you can read. You can start day 6, works like magic, and then I'll take you to the next page.
Day 6 Works like magic.
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
If you take any activity, any art, any discipline, any skill, take it and push it as far as it will go. Push it beyond where it has never been before. Push it to the wildest edges of edges. Then you force it into the realm of magic. By Tom Robbins. Birth is 1936. He's a writer.
Yes. So, if you take any activity, whatever you are doing, anything what we do is an activity. It could be any art. So, when I thought that art is what drawing, painting, huh? But when I looked into the meaning of art, it said that it is any form of literature, which could be a poem, which could be a drama, which could be a story, and there are visual arts. So under visual arts comes painting, drawing, and sculpture. So it could be, so the Rhonda Byrne is describing, and these lines, the initial first few lines, the motto of before any chapter हमको ये बताती है कि पूरी चैप्टर का जिस्ट बता देती है कि व्हाट इज द चैप्टर अबाउट. सो एनी फॉर्म ऑफ आर्ट, एनी डिसिप्लिन, डिसिप्लिन मतलब कि हम जैसे योगा इज डिसिप्लिन, and teaching is a discipline. So any form of discipline, any skill, even for homemakers, cooking is a skill. It's the biggest skill. So she's saying that take it and push it as far as it can go. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि it's not कि हमको धक्का देना है. Push it मतलब you take your skill, your activity, your art, your discipline, your actions to the maximum. You know, just give your 100% to it. If we have a habit of procrastinating कि नहीं we'll do it कल करेंगे और कल नहीं तो फिर कल करेंगे, तो वो आगे आगे बढ़ते ही जाता है. So the writer is saying that push it, give your maximum, give your 100% to it, and be committed to whatever you're doing, and be sincere to whatever you're doing, and take it to a wildest edges of edges. Matlab, it's beyond your imagination. Take it to such a point that it is beyond your imagination. And then that is the point where you can experience the force of magic. So the book is not just about reading. We are not reading and moving from one chapter to another. The book tells us to do some action also, and that is most important. Very important to act on whatever we are receiving, so that we can give back to ourselves and we can give back to the society. Yes, please read.
How can it be that a person who is born into total poverty starts out with nothing and has very little education, goes on to become a president or a celebrity, or builds an empire and becomes one of the wealthiest people in the world? And how that two people can start out in the same career and yet one person's career goes from success to even greater success while the other person works himself or herself into the ground with little success no matter how hard they try. The missing link to success is gratitude because according to the law of attraction you have to be grateful for what you have to attract success to you. So, without gratitude, it's impossible to have permanent success.
Yes. So how can it be that the person who's born into total poverty starts out with nothing and has very little education, goes on to become a president or a celebrity? So whom do we remember? Anybody, any guesses?
Mm,
Does anybody come to your mind?
Narendra Modi ji.
Yes.
and
Correct.
Abdul Kalam also.
Yes.
And
So
US
Maybe
president, one was the US president.
US president?
Yeah, but not remembering the name.
Acha, okay.
Abraham Lincoln.
Yeah,
I think.
Abraham Lincoln. Yes.
You're right. So this is what these lines say, and we all have understood. And also, and how is that two people can start out in the same career, yet one person's career goes from success to even greater success, while the other person works himself or herself into the ground. Any guesses? Any guesses you have?
Mm,
Anybody coming in your mind? So what came to my mind was the Ambani brothers,
Yeah,
Correct.
Dhirubhai Ambani.
Anil Ambani and Mukesh Ambani, and I would like to
Yeah.
share here what I heard about them. So they are both of them are sons of Dhirubhai Ambani, and when after Dhirubhai Ambani passed on, he shared his wealth equally between his two sons. And we all know the story of Anil Ambani and Mukesh Ambani and his wife Neeta Ambani. I would like to share a few things about them which I came to know. So, This actually was shared by one of the employees who was working in their organization, in the Reliance organization. So that person was actually into some teaching skill in one of the schools of the Reliance group. And what she shared was that for any event or a function that used to happen in the Mani house, all the employees were invited, and Mukesh Ambani and Neeta Ambani themselves would stand to welcome all the guests and make sure that they are comfortable. So, of course, the Ambanis, they must be having so many people to entertain and, to take care of their entire event. But still, look at the humility that they would stand in at the entrance and welcome all their guests. It could be anybody, and with with equal gratitude, with equal happiness, they would welcome with folded hands. Another thing that she shared was that her husband was sick, and he was hospitalized. And of course there was a lot of hustle bustle, as we can imagine, in a hospital. And suddenly there was complete silence in the hospital, and just few minutes after that, Neeta Ambani appeared outside her room, where her husband was, and she herself came to ask if everything was fine or not, if she needed any assistance or any monetary or anything, whatever she required. She herself came, and she was present there. And there was another thing which was shared, was that uh, they had an industrial unit in which they were employees, as the pandits were kept as employees. This unit used to run for about 8 to 10 hours. And these pandits, the work of these pandits was to chant the mantras to improve the aura of the work, the work environment, to improve the space where these workers were working. So their job was only to chant the mantras till the work was there. So, if the owners themselves, if we ourselves will practice, then the organization will flourish. There is no way, there is no way. So that's what, this para says, that push to the wildest edges of edges, then you will force it into the realm of magic. So it's our work to do, to push ourselves, to be so humble that, the universe starts giving you on its own. And we have seen it. We know, it goes without saying that today on this date, whatever they put their hands into, it's skyrocketing. We all know that. And I think today they are the fourth largest billionaire in the world, Mukesh Ambani and Neeta Ambani. And at this level, at this stage, at this position also, there's so much of humility. Even when you see them now, I have noticed, even when I see Neeta Ambani, even when I see her picture, she's always with folded hands. And it reflects on her face, her personality. Even Mukesh Ambani ji. So onwards, we all have this opportunity to attract success. Why did I give you this example? Is that, we always learn from these examples, and we can also give our own examples. If anything else is coming in your mind, feel free to share with all of us. किसी के दिमाग में और कुछ आ रहा है जो आपने अपनी लाइफ में देखा है, आपके सराउंडिंग में, आपके कम्युनिटी में, आपके फैमिली में, you can share with us. So आज हमें ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है आज से कि हम अपनी लाइफ में कैसे abundance क्रिएट करेंगे in the area of a career. Could be anything, as I explained in the beginning. Be a homemaker, you could be just a person who is just singing. Singing is your profession. You could be in the field of yoga, you could be in the field of healing, anything, be it anything, even the smallest of the things. But just start the circle. It's, the book is always telling you, just roll the ball. The ball has to roll from us. And once when we start the ball rolling, it's like a circle, it comes back to us. Yeah. So we have to, so when yesterday I just wanted to share, the topic was, the chapter was about money. So in the afternoon when I was holding the note in my hand, the 10 rupee note, and it was a very, very different experience. I actually felt the energy of that note for the first time. And I was feeling that I'm in a different space altogether. So just that inner voice told me that let me go down and give, just a 10 rupee note randomly to people on the road. So I just went down and I was feeling so happy that I just wanted to. So I went to, I had something to be repaired. So I went to the cobbler, and he did something, and I asked him, how much do I pay you? So he told me just 10 rupees. So, and it was a very small work. Of course, it was a very small thing. So I felt like, from my heart, I felt like giving him 10 rupees more. So I just gave him that. Then there was a auto rickshaw. Then I gave him 10 rupees to that person. There was a random person going on the road. I just bought something to eat and gave it. So, sometimes even giving a 10 rupee note and receiving a 10 rupee note, you can see the smile on their face. And that is what this book tells us, that just start the circle. Start the circle. You can choose to do it for yourselves also and experience it today and see how do you feel when without any expectation you're giving to a person and you don't know that person. Yes? Yeah. Please read.
To bring success or increase the good things in your job or work, like opportunities, promotions, money, brilliant ideas, inspiration, and appreciation, it is essential to be
Just a
grateful.
minute, Uma. Uma, your voice is not audible. Suddenly became low.
Oh, okay.
Can you
Better?
read from this to bring success or increase the good things?
Okay. Is it better now?
Yes, yes, much
To,
better.
to bring success or increase the good things in your job or work, like opportunities, promotions, money, brilliant ideas, inspirations, and appreciation, it is essential to be grateful for your job or work. The more gratitude you have, the more you will have to be grateful for. And you should be getting the idea by now that to increase anything in your life, you have to be grateful for what you already have.
Yes. So let's look for ourselves that if we just look at this book, for any book which it has maximum sales when any book comes into the market, when it's introduced, and it has maximum sales for the first few months, and then slowly the sales drop. But whether it is the secret book or the magic book or the power book or any other book which Rhonda Byrne has written, till date, the sales which she did in the first few months or a year, still the sales are high. Why? How? You have bought the book, I have bought the book, मैंने book खरीदी है, आपने book खरीदी, कितने लोगों ने book खरीदी है, and कितने languages में है ये book. This is in Hindi, this is in Marathi, this is I think
Gujarati.
Gujarati, it's in Kannada also, and English. So many languages ये book है. And why? Because it has become so popular. And why is this happening? Have we ever thought? Because the writer, Rhonda Byrne herself, practices gratitude. That is the reason we all are having this book and we all are having this session today. And it's not here, it's happening all over the world. All over the world, people are reading this book now. Why? Because the author herself is practicing. So let's take charge of our lives. Let's take a pledge that whatever the book says, we are going to follow it. Yeah. And also, if you look around at all the successful people, if we read the autobiographies of all the successful people and read their ideology, what is the ideology, क्या वो उनके जीवन में क्या ऐसा था जिससे उन्होंने अपने जीवन में इतने लोगों का किया, इतने अपने जीवन में इतनी शिफ्ट लेके आए वो. So what did they do? Is gratitude what they did? Let's answer it for ourselves. Yes, please read ahead.
Whoever has gratitude for their work will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude,
Yes, sorry.
whoever does not have gratitude for their work, even what he or she will be taken away from him or her. When you are grateful for your job, you will automatically give more to your work. And when you give more to your work, you will increase the money and success that is returned to you. If you are not grateful for your job, you will automatically give less. When you give less to decrease what comes back to you. And as a result, you will never be happy in your work. You will never give more than you have to, and your job or work will stagnate and eventually deteriorate, which could mean losing your job. Remember, for those who do not have gratitude, even what they have will be taken from them.
Yes. So
Now,
it's for us to look for ourselves. हमको अपने अंदर देखना है कि हम, there are dual thoughts at times. You know, we want something also, and when it comes to us, we can't take the commitment. We are not committed. So what happens is, supposing, let's take an example of a job. You have applied for a job, और आपको इंटरव्यू हुआ और आपको वो जॉब मिल गई, and it's a very high level job. You the job which you wanted, you have got it. But then when you have got the job, अगर आप, then you know the working hours are long. रात को भी you have to sit, the whole day you have to sit. Then a point comes that you feel, oh, I can't take all this. Then you get saturated and you feel, nay, I can't do it. Bas. So then what happens, that since you are not grateful for that job of yours, then the job, whatever you have given, it will come back to you. So just be grateful, whatever you have, जो भी मिला है अभी इस समय, just be grateful to whatever work you are doing. Be grateful that you are serving. You even if you are homemaker, आप जो भी जैसे भी अपने घर को देख रहे हैं, घर को चला रहे हैं, you're taking care of everything. Taking care of the home is the biggest skill in itself. So just pat yourself on the shoulder, have gratitude for yourself, and feel great, and keep on doing whatever you're doing with complete vitality. पूरी पूरी खुशी और जॉय के साथ करते जाइए जो भी आप कर रहे हैं. Yes, please read.
the amount you give in gratitude is exactly proportional to the amount you receive in return. You control the amount you receive by the amount of gratitude you give. If you are a
Yes, very
business,
simple, very simple. It's an equation which we all need to remember कि जब हम जितना हम कृतज्ञ होंगे, जितना हम शुक्राना करेंगे, उसी प्रपोर्शन में हमें वापस रिटर्न मिलेगा. And you control the amount. So that's why हम अपने amount को हम control कर सकते हैं. We are able to control the amount we are receiving by the amount of gratitude we are giving. It's the same thing, but it's just told in two different ways. So just remember this formula. The amount you give in gratitude, जितना आप कृतज्ञ होंगे, उतना ही आपको universe देगी वापस. Okay? It applies to every area of your life. Every area of your life. Yes.
if you are a business owner, your business value will increase or decrease according to your gratitude. The more gratitude you are for your business, your customers, and your employees, the more business will grow and increase. It is when this business owners stop being grateful and replace gratitude with worry that the business spirals downward. If you are a parent and your work is taking care of your children and managing your home, look for the things to be grateful for at this time in your life. It is often once in a lifetime opportunity. And when you can be grateful for this time, you will attract more support, more help, more beautiful moments, and more happier
More happiness to the
happiness with the
experience.
experience. You should love your job, whatever it is, and be excited about going to work, and you shouldn't settle for anything less. If you don't feel that way about your current job, or if it's not your dream job, the way to receive your dream job is first being grateful for the job you have.
Yes, so whatever you are into, be grateful and be committed. The moment you are grateful, you experience that joy and happiness, you experience that contentment and satisfaction. Then whatever you give, whatever how your actions are oriented, जो भी आप फिर अब बाद में करना चाहेंगे, वो बिल्कुल 100% होगा. Yes, please read.
Today, imagine that you have an invisible manager whose job is to keep a record of the thoughts and feelings you have about your job. Imagine that your manager will follow you wherever you go today, poised with a pen and notebook in hand. Every time you find something about your job to be grateful for, your manager will make a note of it. Your job is to find as many things as you can to be grateful for. So at the end of the day, your manager has a long list of all your gratitude. The longer the list is, the more magic your invisible manager can bring to your money, work, success, opportunities, enjoyment, and fulfillment.
Isn't this magical? You will have an invisible manager. That manager or secretary is always there with us. You know, that inner voice is always calling. So just आपको ये विजुलाइज करना है कि आपके पीछे एक मैनेजर हमेशा एक पेन और एक बुक लेके है. You remember the picture what we saw, that book which was, and that magic was falling. So that magical person, that magician is there with us. वो हमारे साथ है, and हम जो भी बोलेंगे, so you have to feel the presence of that magician, and believe me, you will actually feel, अगर आप, if you, so in the world of magic, it is the world you have to imagine first. Deliberately you have to imagine. Remember the formulas which we did in the day zero, that deliberately you have to feel, deliberately. So deliberately आपको जानबूझकर महसूस करना होगा कि आपके पीछे एक invisible there's an image, it's a manager, it's a real manager, okay? जैसे ऑफिस में मैनेजर होते हैं ना, वैसे and you have to talk to the manager. You have to say, this is something happened, and you have to say. So the book is going to tell us how to say to the manager. So but you have to be present to the presence of the manager. आपको फील करना होगा कि वो मैनेजर है आपके साथ में, और आपको क्या करना है, आपको as many things as you can, जितना भी आप कृतज्ञता, जितना भी आप शुक्राना करने के बहाने ढूंढेंगे, even start with small things. Oh, I'm feeling so beautiful, मैं आज कितनी खुश लग रही हूँ, मैनेजर प्लीज लिख लीजिए. So you have to tell like that. There's a specific structure which the book is going to tell us in the next page कि क्या बोलना है, कैसे sentence start करना है. Yes, please read.
Think about all the things you could be grateful for in your work. To begin with, think about the fact that you actually have a job. Think about how many people are unemployed who would give anything to have a job. Think about the time saving equipment you use, such as phones, printers, the internet, and computers. Think about the people you work with and the friendships you have with them. Think about the people who make your job easier, such as the receptionists, assistants, janitors, and delivery people. Think about how good it feels when you receive your paycheck, and think about the favorite aspects of your job that you love doing.
Yes, so very important. Think about how many people are unemployed and who would give anything to have a job. Today, we have seen during the lockdown, so many people lost their jobs, so many people lost their businesses. and till date they have not been able to revive, but you still have a job, you still have some money coming to you, at least kuch to aa raha hai. There are so many people who actually had to wind up everything, and they actually all their savings were also used. So but just be grateful to whatever you have. जो भी हमारे पास है, जितना भी हमारे पास है, जितना भी पैसा आ रहा है, चाहे वो 100 रुपया ही क्यों ना हो, just be grateful about that. This is what the book is trying to tell us. It doesn't matter even if it's a small amount, just be grateful. And वो grateful, so just think that you have made a piggy bank of gratitude. एंड उस पिगी बैंक में जिसमें हम पैसा डालते थे, अब हम ग्रैटिट्यूड का पैसा डालेंगे. वी आर गोइंग टू उस जो हम अपने बच्चों को देते थे, और हमने भी शायद बचपन में किया है. वी यूज्ड टू बी सो हैप्पी जब उसमें हम एक एक कॉइन डालते थे या मनी डालते थे. And then by the end of the month, or maybe after 6 months, whatever we have decided, or maybe after a year, or maybe from one birthday to the next birthday, we used to open the piggy bank, and we used to see, and we used to be so thrilled and delighted to see what all we have saved. So this, what we can save today, what we can put in our piggy bank, is the money of gratitude, kritagyata, shukrana. Yes, now it says, what are we going to say to our invisible manager?
Have your invisible manager make a note each time you find something you're grateful for by saying, I'm so grateful for what?
Uma, your voice is again
Okay,
gone down.
yeah. Have your invisible manager make a note each time you find something you're grateful for by saying, I'm so grateful for what? The more deeply your manager can see you're feeling gratitude, the sooner your manager can start to make the magic happen in your work. And the more magic will be created. It is possible that you could generate so much gratitude for your work in one day that you could see the circumstances instantly improve. Lucky breaks don't happen by accident. They are simply gratitude's magical power at work.
Yes. So this line is very important. Lucky breaks don't happen by accident. Nothing happens by accident. Overnight success, it's not a joke. It's not a joke that you get overnight success. We've heard of people ki overnight it changed. It's not a joke. Actually, they have, उन्होंने इतना gratitude इकट्ठा किया है कि suddenly the universe starts giving them. So we all have to start doing for ourselves. वो ग्रैटिट्यूड का घड़ा को इतना भरना है कि the universe will just, it will overflow. It will, once it overflows, then the universe starts giving to us, and we all have to do it for ourselves. Yes.
If this works like magic, practice falls on a weekend or when you're not at work, move on to the next day's practice or practices, and then go back and use this magical practice on the first day you're back at work.
So I would suggest we'll skip this because it doesn't matter. We can do still, even if it's a Sunday today, we can still do whatever we can do, and we can carry it tomorrow also. So ऐसा नहीं है कि एक जो assignment मिला है वो आज ही करना है. उसको हम simultaneously सब assignment के साथ parallelly we can do every single day. तो मैजिक मनी जो था वो नोट को हम रोज देख सकते हैं. रिलेशनशिप का जो चैप्टर था उसमें हम रोज कर सकते हैं. आज का जो चैप्टर है माय इनविजिबल मैनेजर, इट्स सो इंटरेस्टिंग ना. डोंट यू फील इट्स अ गेम दैट द यूनिवर्स इज प्लेइंग विद अस, दैट हमारे साथ में एक इनविजिबल मैनेजर है जिसको वी डोंट हैव टू पे एनीथिंग. द मैनेजर जस्ट वांट्स अस टू जस्ट पे ग्रैटिट्यूड. खाली शुक्राना करने के लिए बोल रहा है वो मैनेजर. So you have to say, I am so grateful, mentally you can say, or maybe थोड़ा सा lips को move करके बोल सकते हैं या softly बोल सकते हैं. So my invitation to all of you is that when you are saying it to your manager, don't be in a grumpy mood. just say smilingly, joyfully, you know, just say it पूरे happy state में. Change your feelings, even if your feelings are, you feeling little low, or you know, you're feeling little sad, you're feeling irritable, you're feeling angry. Just we learn how to get ourselves into the higher feeling, how we change our feelings after a few minutes from now, after we read the assignment. Today we are going to do the feeling chart. So we'll come to know how to go about it. So just get yourself into the happy state of mind and then tell your manager. Or maybe at times it can happen also that when you feel the presence of your manager behind you, and जब आप बोलोगे, बात करोगे अपने मैनेजर से, तभी भी आपकी फीलिंग्स चेंज हो जाएगी. इट कुड बी आइदर वेज, could be any ways, depends upon whatever your faith is in that manager. Yes, yes. Magic practice
Magic
number 6.
practice number 6 works like magic. Repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice number 1. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you're grateful, reread your list, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel gratitude for each one. While at work today, imagine you have an invisible manager following you around taking notes every time you find something to be grateful for. Your job today is to look for as many things you can be grateful for. Have your manager make a note each time you find something you're grateful for by saying, I'm so grateful for what, and feel as grateful as you can. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold the magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes. So thank you, Uma, for reading this chapter for us today. Uh,
Okay.
so this the assignment for today is repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice number 1. Count your blessings. So uh, as I had as we discussed yesterday, I hope all of you are doing counting your blessings. If there is any difficulty, please ask me now so that we can clarify and so that you don't miss any other day. कुछ अगर डिफिकल्टी है आपको काउंट योर ब्लेसिंग्स में एंड राइटिंग द रीजन व्हाई यू आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर, क्यों आप कृतज्ञ हैं, क्यों आप शुक्राना कर रहे हैं. Anybody has any difficulty, you can ask. Otherwise, just start your day with counting your blessings, 10 blessings minimum, as the book says, and be grateful as much as you can. And today we have a friend with us, which is द मैनेजर, यू नो, एन इनविजिबल मैनेजर, जो अदृश्य है, जिसको हम देख नहीं सकते हैं पर हम महसूस कर सकते हैं. एंड वी दैट मैनेजर क्या करेगा, वो मैनेजर हम जो बोलेंगे, हम जो महसूस करेंगे, हम जो फील करेंगे, उसे वो लिखेगा. और जितनी लंबी लिस्ट बनेगी उतना ही जल्दी आपके लाइफ में मैजिक होने शुरू हो जाएंगे. एंड वॉट यू हैव टू से, मैं कृतज्ञ हूँ, या आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर वॉट एवर. सो जो भी आपकी लाइफ में हुआ है, जो भी आपके दिन भर में हो रहा है, या आप अभी क्लास में बैठे हो, अभी भी आपको अगर कुछ, यू नो, यू आर फीलिंग समथिंग, तो यू कैन जस्ट से एंड चेक इट जस्ट नाउ. कैन जस्ट टेल टू द मैनेजर, मैं इतनी खुश हूँ, इतनी थैंकफुल हूँ, क्योंकि मैं आज संडे मॉर्निंग इतनी जल्दी उठ के इस क्लास में, इस सेशन में, इस मैजिक के सेशन में, मैजिक की दुनिया में मैं आज आ पाई हूँ. यू नो, यू कैन जस्ट स्टार्ट राइटिंग दिस. ओके, एंड जस्ट बिफोर यू गो टू स्लीप टुनाइट, hold, not writing, sorry, you can start saying this. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. In my personal chat, I'm getting many messages as to how people are asking me on the personal chat. If you can please ask me now, you can unmute yourself. and ask if you have any difficulty in doing your assignments. Anybody, if you want, please unmute yourself and ask. Yes, feel free to ask now. If you want, you can hear it in the recording. So anything regarding the assignment, can you repeat Mukesh Ambani's story again? You will be able to hear it in the recording, Chandrika. And but the rest of you, or Chandrika, are you completely in sync with whatever the assignment is given every day? आप कर रहे हो सारे assignments? Just write it on the chat. Chandrika, anything? Are you? Yes. Okay. She's writing very good. Margi ji is writing very good. What about others? What about others? Come out of the silence.
Vandana,
Yes.
yeah. Yesterday I have kept in such manner. और मैं, are you watching?
हाँ. मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है, पर आप बोल सकते हैं. मतलब मुझे closely नहीं दिख रहा है.
Okay, wait.
1 minute. Let me stop. Yeah. Now I can see. हाँ.
Yeah, I have kept in such manner.
हाँ.
उसके बाद में मैं निकाल करके
हाँ.
then I am giving gratitude.
वेरी गुड. एंड आपने उसमें स्टिक किया है, वो पोस्टिट में से स्टिक किया है जो लिखना था उसके ऊपर?
No, sorry.
वो लिखना है.
Okay, then I will stick here.
हाँ, वो एक पोस्टेड पेपर में लिख के और स्टिक कर लीजिए, ताकि ये नोट को कभी अगर मतलब आई मीन इफ यू वांट यू कैन जस्ट स्टिक इट आउट, खराब नहीं हो नोट. सो स्टिक नोट पे लिख के पतला सा, and you can stick it on the rupee. Has everybody else done this? Everybody has done this. Please say yes, no on the chat. Hina ji, yes. Grishma ji, yes. Everybody else has done it. Okay. So we have enough time. Everybody is. I will do it today. Very good. Okay. So has everybody understood today's assignment? क्या करना है? उसमें कुछ confusion है तो let's clarify that just now. Let's clear our doubts before we go further and understand the feeling chart.
So, Vandana, if you're not working,
Sorry, Uma.
If one is not working.
I can't hear. Your voice is not audible.
Sorry. Now?
Yes.
Yeah, I think I put my finger on the speaker. So, if one is not working, so then how do you do today's assignment?
Yes. So there are so many things that happen during the day, na? You've made so yummy food. So tell the manager, oh wow, I made so yummy food and I made everybody happy. I made myself happy by making it. Or your help in the house, she did so many things for you. So just tell that I'm so happy that and blessed to have a beautiful and hardworking and loving help. So many things happen during the day. You suddenly you'll receive something like, what happened yesterday, suddenly I got a gift from somebody. So it was an unexpected gift and it was so beautiful. And if somebody comes and meets you, somebody calls you on the phone, there's so many things that happen during the day. So whatever makes you feel glad, whatever makes you feel joyous, whatever makes you feel happy, just share it. Or even when you're not feeling happy, you're feeling low, then you can share with your manager that but how will you be grateful for that? So you have to start the sentence that I am grateful for. So it will always be happy things. So you are increasing your bank balance of being gratitude more and more, because you you know, your it feels nice na, to play a game that somebody else is writing for you and you don't have to do anything. You just have to say and somebody is writing for you. It feels
Yeah.
beautiful, right?
Hmm.
Yes or no? It's like
Yes.
a game. You start playing and you'll really enjoy it. It's like magic. You will start experiencing magic. It's a magician which is there with you, and you can write so many things. Now, Uma, you tell me any other thing is coming in your mind after listening to so many examples.
No, I'm okay. Yeah.
Any other thing? But no, just share now. If anything else, you know, you when you go through your day, like just go through, just bring yesterday, you know, what
Okay.
all happened. Or since morning from till now, something must have happened where you feel like sharing and being grateful for.
Okay. Yeah. I just feel like, I've really tidied up the house. I mean, put away
Yes, yes,
things.
yes.
Everything's in its place in the
Uh,
morning. So I've started my day off, you know, everything's, settled, sort of, so I have a fresh palette to start, paint on.
yeah. So how will you start? I am grateful for
Great.
aligning everything in my house or whatever, you know, you say it in your own words and you tell your manager that please make a note of it. So mentally you have to, you're saying with an intention, you're actually having a conversation with the manager.
Okay.
Okay. So you can take the manager as anything. It could be God, it could be your friend, it could be anyone, your inner voice,
Mm.
that inner being in each one of us, anything,
So you can
anything.
you can also address the managers, so and so. I'm grateful.
Yes, yes,
Whatever.
definitely, definitely. But it's a good idea to start with that I am grateful for what and which we write. But today the book is saying not to write. So,
Oh, okay. We are not writing. Okay.
yeah, you are not writing, your manager is writing.
Okay. Okay.
Understood? So
Yeah.
it's
So
that's what I'm saying. It's such a beautiful game that your manager is writing for you. You are not writing.
That means we will say only. We will give order.
Yes, you will give orders, right?
okay.
Oh,
But order of gratitude. You'll be
yeah.
grateful.
Yes, yes.
Huh? Okay,
No,
I
no.
hope
Understood.
everybody has understood today's assignment. Thanks,
Yeah,
Uma, for
yeah.
asking. It made clear for everybody.
Vandana,
Thank you.
Yes, yes.
Uma.
as you told, three people's picture you stick in your book, and every day we have to write five things about them new.
नहीं वो उस दिन का असाइनमेंट था. इट वाज दैट डेज असाइनमेंट. नाउ वो लास्ट पैरा में एक चॉइस, एक ऑप्शन दिया है. दैट्स एन ऑप्शन द बुक हैज गिवन that now onwards anytime you want, it's not that every day you have to do. It was one day you did, and then now onwards any day you want to, you're free to sit and write. It's not that you have to take the same person or you have to take, you can take any other person. And sometimes you can take yourself also. It's very beautiful to take yourself. Keep a picture of yourself and then write five things you're grateful for yourself.
Yeah, but like we discussed before the class, like if you complain about somebody, then you have to rewrite 10.
Yes, yes,
That
that's true.
continue. That should can continue if you can whenever you remember.
Exactly, exactly. So ऐसा नहीं है कि जो एक असाइनमेंट है वो रोज करना है. रोज खाली दो चीज करनी है. 10 things you are grateful for, and the second thing is end of the day magic rock practice. That is this practice we have, which I would suggest, I would request all of you, because I have been doing it since a long time for myself, that just do these practices throughout your life, and then at random whatever you feel like. Yeah, but आज का practice है, so why do we do one practice the entire day? ताकि वो habit हो जाए, and we experience the essence of that thing, वो पूरी तरह से हमारे अंदर बैठ जाए. That's the reason we do one assignment every day.
अच्छा है, एक बात क्लियर करो वंदना.
हाँ
जैसे
जी,
हमारे रिलेशन में 10 से 15 लोग हैं,
हाँ जी.
तो हम क्या एवरी डे उनको चेंज करके ग्रेटिट्यूड देना है उनको?
नहीं, आपकी
कैसे कर
इंटेंशन क्या है? आपकी इंटेंशन क्या है? जो 15 लोगों को आपको चेंज
नहीं
करना है या आप अपने आप को चेंज करना है? व्हाट इज योर इंटेंशन?
उनको चेंज करना है।
नहीं, ये इंटेंशन गलत है।
ओके
दिस इंटेंशन जहां से आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, दैट इज नॉट द राइट इंटेंशन. We are
अच्छा
not doing for changing the other person. We are doing, so all of you please understand, we are not doing this for changing the other person. We
ओके
are just doing because हमने हमारे दिमाग में एक कंप्लेन की है उस पर्सन के बारे में. तो हम इसीलिए हमको 5 things that we are grateful for लिखना है उस पर्सन के बारे में.
अच्छा
There is no intention of changing. जो वो how को define नहीं करना है. That is the universe. उसकी ये how तो universe define करेगा.
अच्छा जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल कोई हमारे रिलेशन में ही थोड़ा हेल्दी है, फैटी है, तो मैं उसको चेंज करना चाहती हूँ, देन
नहीं, so
तब हाउ टू
हाँ,
डू?
so आप जो भी है, जो भी आप चेंज करना चाहते हैं, that is first most important thing is that is what you want to change. Now the change will come when the other person wants to change. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? आप उस पर्सन के बारे में 5 अच्छी चीजें, कुछ तो अच्छी होगी उस पर्सन में,
या
तो वो 5 अच्छी चीजें आपको लिखना है एंड जस्ट बस उतना ही करना है आपको. Then you don't have to sit and expect कि कुछ तो change आना चाहिए. Don't ever write with an intention of changing or don't expect a change to come. It will happen. वो एक by product है, वो अपने आप होगा. This is what is the best part about this book. And this is the crux of, you know, अपने life में हम खाली दूसरों को change करने का सोचते हैं. Every time, every thought is how to change the other person. And you know, as we go ahead, it will come that change the person in the mirror, the world will change. It's a very beautiful chapter which I just said, but when we go into the chapter, we will actually see how to change. And that's really, really beautiful. I love that chapter. Yes, तो खाली आपको did I answer your question, Usha ji?
या
हाँ,
मतलब उसको नहीं चेंज करके मेरे को उसके बारे में अच्छी बातें लिखनी है.
यस, ये थॉट ही नहीं, ये थॉट जो है कि हम मुझे उस पर्सन को चेंज करना है, whether it's your son, whether it's your husband, whether it's your housemaid, whether it's your helper, anybody. जैसे ही वो थॉट है, मतलब क्या है? इट्स अ थॉट ऑफ कंप्लेनिंग, राइट?
ओके.
तो उस थॉट को कैसे चेंज करेंगे? 5 अच्छी चीजें लिख के उस पर्सन के बारे में. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट.
Okay.
So Margi ji has written, we have to change our perception for them. Yes, Margi ji.
I wanted to ask you, like, this is our thought process of complaining. Suppose
Yes.
you tell, like I tell you, or tell somebody, you know, why didn't you stop eating so much? You tell, you're not thinking about, and you stop thinking about it. You just tell the person, you shouldn't eat so much. It's bad for your health, and leave it at that. So is it, would it be a thought process of complaining?
So what is, you have to check your feeling. What is your feeling at that time? Okay. Is it a feeling of worry? Is it a feeling of, you're concerned for that person? Is it a feeling of you are frustrated with that person? You have to check your feelings. So yeah, we'll go ahead and we'll know how to check our feelings and how the feeling, zone is.
Okay.
Where you are standing. You will come, you will understand. So it's a reality check for ourselves. So right now, Uma, just tell me, since you brought up this thing, that whatever you told, so just go into that moment of time. It's an actual feeling, right? It's an actual thing what you have noticed in yourself, right? It's an actual example in your life.
No. Yeah, it's actual thing.
Yeah.
But there is no feeling, become a habit now. There's maybe
no, there
feeling.
will always be a feeling. There will always be an emotion attached to whatever we are saying. We are not aware of it. It's and we
Okay.
say we keep on saying unconsciously we are doing it, but there is always a feeling.
Yeah, it's like, if my husband is diabetic, I'll tell him, don't eat so much sugar. So,
Yes,
yeah,
yes. So is it a complaint or is it out of concern you are saying? What are you
more
feeling?
concern. More concern.
Or you're feeling irritable and then you're saying it?
No, 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 no.
Yes?
No, I don't know.
No, just I'm taking just
Sometimes,
for concern.
that all these three emotions can sometimes be like this, different emotions at different
Yes.
times,
So you
maybe.
have to check whether it's coming from a point of complaint. Then you sit and write five good things what
Okay,
you're grateful for that person. If you're
okay.
just saying out of concern
Hmm.
that you're feeling for, you're concerned for that person,
Hmm.
then it's okay. Then it's fine. So
Okay,
you have to say, you have to judge. You are your best judge. You have
okay.
to see for yourself. You have to identify ki what is the space you are coming from.
Yeah.
It's a very subtle thing to understand, but once you understand this,
Hmm.
everything around you will change. Yes. So do we all have our notebooks with us? If we don't have, please get it, so that you can actually make a note of whatever we are discussing right now. So we are actually discussing the feeling chart. What are the two types of feelings? Either, just broadly if we identify, good feelings, bad feelings. Okay, अच्छी feelings है और कुछ बुरी feelings है या खराब feelings है जो हमें uncomfortable बना देती है. Okay, whether we are aware of it or not, but we become uncomfortable. And जब अच्छी feelings आती है तो we are in a different space. कुछ अलग ही space होता है. So I would request, जो आपकी नोटबुक है उसको दो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दीजिए. Just make a dividing line from at the center of the page. Is everyone with me? Yes, no?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
Okay.
yes.
So just make a dividing line. If you have done that, then the upper part of the upper area is the feeling, the space of good feelings. अच्छे
You are telling like this, half the book or like this?
half of a page, half of
Half
a
of
page.
the, okay,
Okay. Huh?
okay.
Then the upper part is good feelings. So now good feelings के भी अलग अलग कैटेगरी होते हैं, अलग अलग डिग्रीज होती है. Okay. So now I would request everybody on top of a page make a sun. एक सूर्य की चित्र को बनाना है जिसकी रेज चारों तरफ निकल रही है, हैप्पी रेज. हम सब ने सूर्य भगवान को उगते हुए देखा है. We all have seen the sun god, the sun rising. So just visualize that and make a sun and the rays of the sun falling. एक ऊपर, एकदम ऊपर के पार्ट में, पेज के ऊपर के पार्ट में. After this session, you can do some coloring also, and I would like to see everybody's page tomorrow. Okay, so be as creative as you can. Okay, just write down now, be with me. So now we have made the sun, the page is there in front of us, there is a dividing line. We've divided the page into two equal halves. जो ऊपर वाला हाफ है उसमें हमने एक सन बना दिया है, राइट? एकदम टॉप मोस्ट पार्ट में, एकदम टॉप मोस्ट पार्ट में यू मेड द सन. इज एवरीबॉडी विथ मी? यस, नो?
Yes, yes,
ओके.
yes.
Yes.
Okay, so now we start the upper part. जो dividing line है वहां उसके एकदम लाइन के पास में we will write satisfaction. Just write this word satisfaction.
Upper part.
No, जो line है, that dividing line, just close to that line you will write satisfaction in the upper part. So let's assume the upper part is part A and the lower part is part B. Now I will address as A and B. A part में आपको लिखना है satisfaction. Then just go little टेढ़ा, थोड़ा सा, और जैसे दो words के बीच में हम लिखते हैं ना, वैसे थोड़ा सा angle में लिखेंगे, ऊपर थोड़ा सा hope. So first is satisfaction. First word is satisfaction. Second word is hope.
aim है satisfaction.
The third word is enthusiasm. So हम नीचे से ऊपर जा रहे हैं. Okay? First is satisfaction, hope, enthusiasm, excitement.
So we are going diagonally.
Yeah, it will be
We are
better
going
for
diagonal.
you. Just go like this, zigzag, zigzag, right? So that, you know, you'll be able to differentiate when you see it. So first, I'm just look at my hands. First is satisfaction. Then I go little diagonally, hope. Then I go this way, enthusiasm. Then I go this way, excitement.
Excitement.
This is the fourth one. Then I go passion. Hina ji, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And then you go like this, joy. And then you go gratitude. What we are doing, we are trying to, this book, when we are just reading this book, this is the word we heard first, right? Gratitude. And then at the topmost is love. So just below the light, now we go from top to down. You know, just सब कोई check कर लीजिए. सूर्य की light है, सूर्य की किरण है, light है. The closest to the light is love. All of you are there with me?
Yeah.
Yes.
The closest to light is love, then it's gratitude, then it's joy, then it's passion, then it's excitement, then is enthusiasm, then comes hope, and then comes satisfaction. Okay? Okay. Now let's explore what happens below the line. So this is all what happens above the line. What takes us closer to ourselves, which is there within us. And if you can just identify ourselves with the sun outside, which is the visible form of Brahman, or the visible form of light. Okay? Is everybody understanding? सबको समझ आ रहा है?
No. Please
Yes.
clear again.
Who wants an explanation again?
Usha.
Acha. So first we went from down to up. जो lower forms of energy है, जो lower forms of feelings है, हम वैसे लिखना शुरू किए. Okay? Now जब हम light के पास में है, जब हम, you can say, close to the God, close to the light, close to the source, जो भी हम जहां से आए हैं, जब हम उसके पास में, तो सबसे important feeling is love. सबसे beautiful feeling is love. Okay? Which is closest to the light. Then comes gratitude. So gratitude is that key which takes us closer to the love. We all are loving beings. Okay? Then उसके नीचे आता है joy, happiness, जो हम खुश महसूस करते हैं, खुशी महसूस करते हैं. Then comes passion. Then comes excitement, then enthusiasm, then hope, and the lowest feeling is satisfaction. Okay?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, now we go below the line. Now below the line मतलब जो lower feelings है, वो क्या क्या हो सकती है? हम एकदम पेज के नीचे से start करेंगे लिखना. Just the end of the page you'll start writing. Fear, डर, भय. So fear. Fear is the lowest of all emotions. Then comes despair. मतलब हम हताश हो जाते हैं, हमें कुछ समझ नहीं आता क्या करना है. Then comes guilt, ग्लानि. Then comes envy, which is jealousy. It's one step ahead of jealousy. Okay, are you all there with me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Please understand everything. जहां भी आपको समझ नहीं आए मुझे रोक दीजिएगा. Okay?
गिल्ट के बाद जेलसी बोला ना आपने?
गिल्ट के बाद एनवी और जेलसी, वॉटेवर. आप जेलसी भी लिख सकते हो, ईर्ष्या, जलन, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो आप. Okay, but envy, actually when we say envy, it's one step ahead of ईर्ष्या. मतलब वो जो जलन वाली स्टेट आ जाती है ना, उसको एनवी बोलते हैं, और जेलसी को ईर्ष्या बोलते हैं. ओके, हाँ. देन कम्स हेट. हेट, HATE, hate, नफरत. ओके, देन कम्स एंगर, then comes criticism, then comes worry. Everybody with me?
Yes.
Then comes disappointment. And then comes irritation. And then comes boredom. Closest, सबसे जो closest to the line is boredom. Now हम ऊपर से नीचे जाएंगे.
डिसअपॉइंटमेंट के बाद क्या बोला?
Irritation
ओके.
and boredom. Now let's explain everything starting from
So many.
closest to the line as we go down on the degree of intensity. जो line के close है उसका degree कम है, जो line से दूर है उसका degree सबसे ज़्यादा है. Okay, so what is the first thing which is closest to the line? Boredom. So many of our teenagers nowadays, they say, I'm getting bored, I don't know what to do. Yes, how often do we hear? So this is, we feel that it's a normal thing to get bored. हम सोचते हैं ये तो कुछ normal है, बिल्कुल normal है, क्या है? It happens with us also that मैं बहुत bore हो रही हूँ.
Yes.
It's so you have to identify. अगर उस state में आप है, मतलब कि आप below the line है, and उस below the line में आप जो भी चीज करोगे, unless and until you take yourself above the line and do it, then you will attract such situations and people in your life. For example, you woke up in the morning, before coming to the class session today, you felt, no, today is Sunday, let me sleep, and I would listen to the recording. Yeah, it happens, na? Or you have to go for your work, and you had a long night and you couldn't sleep properly, and you woke up in the morning feeling, oh, not again, I have to go again, spend my day in office, do the same things. All this happens for people who go to school. Yeah, they might also feel the same. So just let's look for ourselves, that how often do we say and experience these feelings? Or if you are, so now we know how to identify ourselves. कैसे? हम अपने आप को पूछेंगे कि क्या मैं feel कर रही हूँ अभी. So just ask for yourselves for a minute right now. आप कैसा feel कर रहे हैं? See what word comes.
गुड, अच्छा लग रहा है.
Yes, so just identify इस feeling chart में आप कौन सा word, कहाँ पे हैं आप, कौन से area में हैं आप?
Good feelings.
गुड फीलिंग्स.
Feelings. Yeah. So now whatever you do, now you will see, now when you're in good feelings, you'll feel like doing everything. You'll feel like doing everything good. You'll feel like moving. You feel like doing things for the house. You'll be in a very happy state. And the results, जो result आएंगे, वो कुछ अलग ही आएंगे. Right? So now the question is that once we identify that we are in the lower feeling zone, then how do we get ourselves up? So gratitude is one of the biggest things that can take ourselves up. इसीलिए हम सुबह सुबह 10 things what we are grateful for लिखते हैं, ताकि हम अपने आप को lift करके we take ourselves to the upper feeling zone. And also when we go to sleep in the night, we are grateful for the best thing that happened with us, the magic rock practice. So beginning of the day, end of the day, we are actually picking ourselves up by just doing this simple exercise. Maybe in the morning, it will take you 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Initially, it might take you a longer time, but then honestly, it will just take you 10, 15 minutes. Fatafat, you'll be able to write. And in the night, it's just, of course, 5 minutes. So 15 minutes of your day, if you can give to yourself to keep yourself above the line. to keep yourselves above the line, just 15 minutes of your life is required. And then see how magical your day will be. Okay, how many of us have experienced that after we have done the magic rock practice, we are getting, if at all we were getting dreams, or if at all we were not sleeping properly, we've started sleeping properly? Anyone?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
I'm not dreaming. I stopped dreaming.
Lovely. Is it
And
a complaint? Is it a complaint, Uma?
no. It's not a complaint. And
Okay.
also, now I'm still sleepy.
I could see today when you were reading.
And you're asking, to write these 10 gratitude. I can't think because mind is like so dull. I can't think only in the morning.
So you have to think of what happened when something like this happens now, Uma.
Hmm.
Just pick your last day, the previous day, and
Okay.
just start thinking. It will take you a while, but once you get, as the book says, na, it takes 21 days for a new neuro pathway to be established in the brain. You are actually learning a new language. So that's fine. You actually are aware that nothing is coming in your mind. That's the biggest
Blank.
step you have taken.
Yeah, it's a nice blank slate.
Lovely, lovely. So start remembering now and put good things in the blank slate. Very nicely put, Uma. It's a blank slate. So whatever you
Okay.
put in the blank slate will enhance, will grow, will shine. Yes?
Yes.
The rest of us, anybody has anything to ask? I'm just hearing, I'm feeling that there's just 4-5 people in the session. What about others? Please speak. If everybody else, all others who are there, how many participants are there? 12. Please, can you put your videos on? 12 excluding me. So there are 11 participants. Can everybody put your videos on so that we all can see each other? I'll put my view, gallery view. I'm putting, yeah. Can we all see each other?
No.
Lovely, lovely. Rushita ji, it's can we see your picture? Namrata ji, Grishma ji, wow.
Just want to share with you.
Yes.
इतने दिन से मैं जो मैजिक रॉक और ये सब ब्लेसिंग क्लासेस सब कर रही हूँ,
हाँ जी.
तो कल ये सब देख के मेरा सन जो है माहिर,
हाँ.
वो मेरे को रात को पूछ रहा है कि ये सब क्या कर रहे हो आप.
हाँ.
फिर वो कल एक मैजिक रॉक लेके आया.
हाँ.
और उसने रात को वो किया.
हम्म.
थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू.
हाँ जी.
और वो बोलता है आप जो करोगे वो मैं रोज करूंगा.
Wow.
एंड आई एम फीलिंग
Wonderful.
सो गुड.
Yeah.
ये सब उसमें आ रहा है, मेरे घर
हाँ.
में आ रहा है, पॉजिटिविटी, एनर्जी.
This is another beautiful thing what happens. Thank you for sharing, Namrata ji, with all of us. एक इंसान जब घर में चेंज होता है, एक एनर्जी जब चेंज होती है तो वो पूरे घर की एनर्जीज चेंज हो जाती है. And there's nothing like it that your son will be, you know, even if he must be hearing it, maybe he's sleeping beside you or he's just, in the house. Doesn't matter, the energies are reaching, and your energies, the energies of the house is changing, then everything around changes. So
Yes.
very nice sharing, Namrata ji. I'm so happy, I'm so glad that you shared this with us, and keep on sharing such things.
even I am feeling so happy. अच्छा हो रहा है.
Yes. And I'm so glad that magic has started appearing in your life. It's a magic, right? Without
Yeah.
saying, your son has started doing. आपने कुछ बोला नहीं, उसने सिर्फ observe किया आपको. So so it goes with children. It's always like that they always like demonstrative behavior. जो हम करते हैं वो करना शुरू कर देते हैं अपने आप ही. और कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती है जो हम उनको बोलते जा रहे हैं, इतने साल हो गए पर वो चेंज नहीं होता है. Right? So
Right.
it's very beautiful that you shared. Yes, the rest of you, anybody else has any sharings? Nice to see you, Rushita ji, Grishma
Yes,
ji.
I want to tell something.
Yes.
कल मेरी बच्ची का एक एग्जीबिशन था, उसके ग्रामर क्लासेस में रखा था, तो
हाँ.
पहले 15 डेज पहले नोटिस आया था, तो मैंने मना कर दिया था कि हमें पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करना है, लेकिन आपका ये शुरू किया, फिर मैंने ऐसा सोचा कि नहीं, मैं क्यों मना कर रही हूँ। तो
हाँ.
फिर मैंने 2 दिन पहले ही पूछा कि मैं अब करवा सकती हूँ उसको, तो वैसे सबको ना बोला था, लेकिन सडनली मुझे हाँ भी बोला और हमने किया। तो
हाँ.
40 स्टूडेंट्स में से 5 स्टूडेंट्स को सर्टिफिकेट मिला, उसमें एक मेरी बच्ची थी।
Wow.
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 Wonderful, wonderful.
So happy
और
to hear that.
और बाकी सब 15-20 डेज से कर रहे थे उसकी प्रिपरेशन, हमने 2 दिन में की और ये रिजल्ट मिला। तो मैंने उसको बोला
Lovely.
कि, और वो 3 दिन से मैं 2 बजे सोती हूँ, सुबह 5:30 को उठती हूँ इसके लिए। तो वो
Very
एनर्जी फर्स्ट टाइम आई है और पूरा दिन कर रही हूँ ये।
Lovely, lovely. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for sharing, and thanks for coming on the screen.
थैंक्स टू यू एंड थैंक्स टू नम्रता, क्योंकि ये नम्रता ने मुझे ये आपका बोला था।
एग्जैक्टली हाँ, नम्रता ने
Thank you.
हमको बताया था। थैंक्स टू नम्रता एंड थैंक्स
थैंक्स
टू
टू
अन्ना
नम्रता एंड
जी।
थैंक्स टू वंदना जी।
Thank you so much. Thank you, Namrata ji, for introducing this to all your friends. And my invitation to all of you is today is day 6. Still it's a journey of 4 weeks. So we are still on our first week. If you have anybody in your life whom you want also to experience this magic, जो भी है उनको आप अभी भी बुला सकते हैं, अभी भी इनवाइट कर सकते हैं। द रिकॉर्डिंग्स आर देयर, वो लोग रिकॉर्डिंग सुन सकते हैं, और जब ये वापस रिपीट होगा ये सेशन, तो दे कैन अटेंड वॉट एवर दे हैव मिस्ड अगेन लाइव. So still it's you can still invite as many people as you can in this
Yeah.
this
Vandana,
beautiful journey.
yeah, Vandana, so if you could hold them, like for my daughter's work will be working. So, maybe in the evening, they can't get up so early. So, maybe in the evening, I don't know if you will be doing it for the youngsters also, no? You're planning.
Yes. Yeah. So I'm planning for the youngsters. The timing would be somewhere in the afternoon where I'm free with my classes. So it will be somewhere around either it will be 2 to 3 or 3 to 4. Mostly it will be 2 to 3 only. Or maybe 2:30 to 3:30, because I don't know what are the school timings. I think I'm assuming that they are.
No, because that's for school, but then office goers, people who are actually going physically to office.
And what time is the office, Ma?
10 to 6. But
Then it's easy for her to wake up. Just don't do anything. Just wherever she is she in the same room?
No.
Okay, so is it? Do you get your internet connection in the room where she's sleeping?
Yes.
So can you just sit there from tomorrow?
Oh no.
No. She will get wild.
Why?
Vandana, give another technique.
Yeah.
Give another technique जिससे उन लोग के पास भी तुम्हारी वाइब्स, अपने लोग जो सेशन कर रहे हैं वो पहुंच जाए.
हाँ.
Give another technique.
Another technique is see, as we go ahead, there is a chapter which is called the Magic Dust and Magic Wand chapter. So we will be doing that. But right now, to get her into like how Namrata ji shared that her son observed what she was doing.
Okay.
And he said, Mama, aap kya kar rahe ho? Of course, her son is younger. At a younger age, they are quite vigilant, and they actually see. We think that they are not seeing and they are not listening, but they are. But yeah, for your daughter also, what is her age, Uma?
23.
So just, if you are doing things, if she finds a change in you, if you are not, whatever assignments are given to you, and if she sees you doing it, and if she finds that, yes, there is a shift, then she'll automatically be inquisitive and she'll ask you. She'll definitely ask you, and she will start following it. Irrespective of
Okay.
Irrespective of whether she sleeps late in the night, whether she
Okay.
wakes up late in the morning, she will
Okay.
definitely come. But
And-
don't try to pressurize. Don't tell her anything, or you can just inform her that this, is she aware of what you're doing?
Not really, not in detail, maybe. But I could send her like today's recording. It's work related.
Yeah.
Sometimes
So,
I can just share a recording, not every day, but some days.
yeah. So first brief her out. What is it about? You know,
Mm.
if she's an intellectual person, she will understand intellectually. So you just tell her that it is this,
Yes.
and I've
Okay.
been following it. See if you feel you can join in. So
Okay.
and then give her a choice. Just leave it on her.
Okay.
Never pressurize on anybody. For those who are attracted towards it, they will definitely come. That is how I got attracted to. Actually, when I started, it was my younger brother. So this book I had already read, but the live sessions I'm talking about, so it was my younger brother who bought it to my husband, and he actually didn't tell me only because he knew I am in this field, so he didn't tell me only. So my husband started listening to these live sessions in the morning, and that voice reached me one day, and on my own, I woke up without my husband telling me, without my brother telling me. I woke up and started doing the sessions. And it was, I started not from day one, I started from day 7th or day 8th. And then I redid the session, then I redid the session, and I repeated it many times. So it's nothing that, it comes from within. And the
Okay.
universe, when it touches your heart, then you will do it. Then nothing can stop. Even if it's 5 o'clock, she'll be able to wake up. Even she sleeps at 1 o'clock, she'll be able to wake up.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And for kids, I really want to do, if you all have, many kids, I can really start uh, for between kids at the age of 5 to 15. From the age of 5 to 15, I really want to start. It could be elders also, maybe 20, 25 also. But yeah, it's really, really beautiful for kids to understand this, and to incorporate this and bring it into their lives. It will become like they will flower into a beautiful, beautiful, personality altogether. Because in the core of their hearts, they know all this. It's like because of the inputs from us as parents, they move away from all this. So I remember when my son was just about 2 years or 3 years, he could actually see the aura. He used to tell me, Mama, there's this color behind you, there's orange color above your head, there's purple color above your head. He used to say all that. And then one fine day when he was, so I used to really enjoy. And when I used to, at times I used to tell him, Madhav, now see now which color is there. So he used to, he used to tell me. But one fine day when he was, I think, 10 or 11 years old, he stopped seeing. He said, now I can't see. So, and then again, few days back, I again asked him, after starting the session, I asked him, Madhav, do you still remember? Just see, na? So he saw some lavender color, he said, Mama, there's purple color, lavender, more of this, more of that. So why I'm saying this is that because of our inputs, because of our thoughts, because of our feelings, because of what we put into our kids, what our inputs, their personality, their feelings, their thought, their brain, the brain, how it processes changes. So we can rewire it, we can rechange it. Yeah. So once we bring in changes in ourselves, so for kids, they really can follow. It's there inbuilt in them. Only because of the coverings which come around. And we as kids also have experienced this, right? So it's not that to blame our parents or to blame ourselves, again, not to go into that lower feeling, that lower line, below the line. It's just that you understand what is happening. You are aware of what is happening, and we can stop doing that to bring the equilibrium again. Yeah? Yeah, so before we anything else anybody wants to ask as regards today's assignment, if you can ask now, clarify, so that as soon as we finish the session, you can sit down to write and you can start doing, you can start asking your manager to make notes for yourself. As Usha ji said, we can order. So if you feel like that you enjoy ordering, you can order, but not with, order with love. Order with love. See the feelings what you're ordering, because universe, the language of the universe is the feeling. Universe understands only feeling. That is the reason I took up this chart today, because it really helped me. Every time I feel a little irritable, every time I feel a little angry, every time I feel like, just saying something, just pause, just click the pause button and see what feeling is there in you right now. Where are you right now? Are you below the line or are you above the line? Of course, when you are below the line, of course you be aware of it, and then you identify which part, whichever part. Just smile. What I do is just smile to myself and try to feel that happiness in my heart. A smile can change. All of us can do just now. Just smile and see whether you're feeling bored or you're feeling, what happens. Just smile. Bring a gentle, loving smile to your lips. See what happens. Smile from your heart and see. Suddenly you will feel, wow, just a smile has brought so many.
A light comes here, little like something happened here.
Yeah. What about the energy of your body?
Yeah.
Love.
Yeah. So yeah, it will be different for different people. We'll feel happy, we'll feel joyful, we'll feel grateful. Gratitude will be the most important thing that will come. Oh, I'm so grateful that I can change my feelings like this. Just start talking to yourself. Yes. So yes, before we end today's session, which was a very, very beautiful session, I really enjoyed seeing all your lovely faces and the sharings, which are, magics which are appearing in everybody's life. And it's my prayer to the universe to have more and more magics appear in everybody's life. And yes, so till then, we meet tomorrow. Have a magical day. All of you, love you. Have a magical day.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
You too have a
Thank you
very
to everyone.
Okay.
Thank you.